What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the ystrap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. Oh my God. All right, so we have another patient here. She's been coming in for a while and just started up recently again here. And she comes in for, I think originally for low back pain, right? I think you picked something up and hurt your low back. Yeah. But also continues care because she gets really good relief from asthma symptoms. She gets some rib heads that pop out and mid-back issues. So that helps a lot with her asthma symptoms. So like usual, we're gonna start with heat and help loosen up those muscles to get a better adjustment. Yeah, got a room for rent. We had a lady in here before. She was doing all sorts of different, she did like reflexology and stuff. But now that room is vacant. It's got a brand new massage table in it, ready to go. So
I'll be a steady customer.
go ahead and turn your head to the right. Cane to the left. And it's that hip again. Okay. Nice and easy. Easy, easy. Scoot down toward your feet just a little bit. Perfect. Get one more in here. Okay, good. Yeah, a bunch of little just rib heads. Okay, we'll go chin up. Let the head go a little bit. Good. Not bad. That relax. There you go. There you go. There it was. Perfect. Alright, we'll get you to flip on your back.
That feels so good. Oh God, that feels good.
How's the neck feeling today?
Fantastic. After that adjustment.
How have your allergies been? They've been okay? You've been handling
Better.
Okay? Yeah. Good.
That's the one that works the best for sinuses.
Yeah. Let it relax a little. Good. More occiput there.
No sinusitis.
Good. Alright, good. Let's go take care of the low back over there. You do have a little bit of right short. That hips
Yep.
a little out.
That's because I
A
haven't.
little bit forward.
That's when I missed my adjustments.
And that one's okay. Let's get this right. A little bit closer here. Let this roll over, let this relax. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
That feels good. That feels real good.
Awesome. All right, we'll have you come sit over here. Well, since coming in, you've been coming in for quite some time. You come in on and off. First time you came in for a low back pain. We took care of that. But kind of explain how or why you like to come in on a regular basis and keep up with care.
I had asthma for 37 years. I was on steroids. I was on albuterol that was elevating my blood pressure. And I was on other drugs for sinusitis. I was the lab rat, so to speak.
Mm-hmm.
They even misdiagnosed me for MS at one point because my asthma does not twitch.
Mm-hmm.
It tightens. Since I've been coming to you, I'm off of all drugs. I don't catch colds. I'm healthier, and you even fixed my hip, which was an old injury.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to get a new hip.
Yeah.
I feel fantastic. Your crackle and pop in my neck, I have no sinusitis. I don't have the congestion. I sleep like a baby. I can't live without you.
Awesome. It's always good to hear from patients, so I appreciate it. Appreciate you.
It's a hands-on. Anybody that never tried chiropractics should seriously try it because within a week they feel the difference.
Mm-hmm.
No drugs. All drugs have side effects.
Mm-hmm.
I lost my husband to cancer. Drugs. He had
Yeah.
medical. They all have side effects.
Right.
And we don't find out till much later.
Right.
Yours, I feel great. I
Mhm.
haven't seen a doctor, and I don't need to.
Good, good. Yeah, I love being able to, it's different for medical doctors, they come in and you can't do as much right then. It's nice to be able to do something right now that's going to help the patient somewhat immediately. So yeah, appreciate you coming in.
4 years, no meds, no existing conditions. Who can say that
Yeah,
at my age?
good stuff.
It's fantastic.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the ystrap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.